Hi, this is first instruction video for the first exercise, computer exercise in RobotStudio for the course Sustainable Production. And what we do now is, and this is, I will guide you through this because this is a way to get used to the software in a way. And you have to do more or less the same thing and get it going and then present it. And Jette Pocone will be the teacher to actually guide you through this, the whole exercise. But anyway, so we start with a share and unpacking work. And when we create the model, the station, so we start with a pre-made model for the station we are using in the lab. And we select, in this case, you will get access to that pack and go file. And you have to download it and put it somewhere on your computer. But anyway, that is then called, let's see, the calibration station. And we have the latest calibrated station is this one, Calib Station 2020, 9th of February, RobotStudio Pack and Go file. That is actually resemble how the station looks like. And we choose a target folder, which should be a new folder for this exercise. So create a new one, folder, and call it whatever, but exercise 1, for example, it's fine. And I will do like this. 2020, take the date of today. Like that. Perfect. And then next, load files from Pack and Go. Next, robotware version, the latest, I think. And finish. And then we'll bring it up in a few moments. So it is just unpacking, creating virtual controllers, restoring backups, yeah, whatever it needs to be done. And this station will be more or less like a digital twin of the ABB station we have in the Epic Lab. Unfortunately, we don't know what will happen now with the physical labs we intended to actually do there, but we will see how it will be in the end of the course. So this is how it looks like. Now, if I just click on this one, right click on that one and choose view center and restore the way to rotate around this as before, control shift and left click, I rotate around this one, and only control, I pan and left click, and the middle mouse wheel zoom up, down, in, out. So we have 3 tables. We will put a plate on this table, which is called table left, seen from the robot. So the robot is like here, left table, front table, right table. And it has, as you see, a work object located here. And as you see, the green is Y direction. You can notice it here. And the X is red, that direction. We will place a plate at position 125 millimeter in each direction on this one. So every distance here is 25 millimeters. So 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. 25, 50, 35, 100, 125. So it will be placed at this position. So anyway, we populate the station with the other things needed, and you will have access to that and have to download that. But we import library objects. In this case, I browse in my own library, but there will be a calib tool, looks like this one, and there will be a plate in the library I have here. So here it is. That one, like this. And now I just place those at the proper places. So what we have to do first is to put the tool at the end flange of the robot. And that is done in this way. We have the calib tool and we drag it to the robot, like that one. And it asks, do you want to update the position of the calib tool? Yes, I would like to do that. Click out here and it will look like this one. So what it has is actually a mounted tool changer system. So in practice, when we change the tool, we open this one and disconnect the whole thing. And then we can place another tool. But now it is modeled in a way that it connects everything together. But it looks like this in reality as well. That is a tool changer function. Okay. And we have a tool center point located here. And we have to also place the plate 01 at the proper place. Oh, I miss it totally. So we'll do like this. Click here, do center. Perfect. Now everything is in line again. It works fine. And what we do now is click on that one, right click, and then we make a position, place, 1 point. So we go from 0 where it is, click on that one. We have to make sure that we know what we are clicking on, so to say. And in this case, we click on snap center, for example, or yeah, I think that will be fine. Primary point. Apply. Like this. And then we move this one now 125, 125, as we said. And so we right click on that one, position, offset position, and the reference now should be local, and translation should be 125 and 125 millimeter. Like that. Close. So it's fine. And as you see now, we have 50, 100, 125, and 25, 125 here. So that's pretty fine. So now we set up the workstation in a proper way to be able to make a program. Okay, and that will be continued in the next video. Now, before we continue, this could be a good place to, or a good position now to actually save what we've done, and because this is station we will work on. So click on File and Save Station As, because it has the name where we unpacked the station before, so we changed the name actually to something else, which could be what we call it, Exercise 1 underscore 2020, like that. Okay, good. Then we'll continue later on.